The hospital of the future, those are not green hospitals or smart hospitals, but we call it blue hospitals. We really believe that we can improve the design of hospitals and the operation of hospitals. We believe we are ready to design the next generation hospitals. And we often, here with Deerns, we use the Rubik Cube to, let's say, to try to explain what we are what we have in mind. It is, let's say, all those 6 services are representing the 6 main goals. But we also know that every hospital is different. At the end, however, what is more important than the other one, it's still linked to each other. It is like a Rubik Cube. If you want to solve the puzzle, you have to understand the dependencies between those main items. But we also know that when you have an integrated, holistic design approach, you will create synergies, and that will bring a really added value. And we are in the possibility of designing better performing hospital buildings. And it's not only about the building, it is about the people, it's about the medical staff, it is about stakeholders. And that's why when we are talking with our clients and with the stakeholders, it is not about the building, it's about the process. It is about how we can help the medical staff to do their work better, how we can support the well-being, and also how related to the patients. And at the end, nobody wants to go to the hospital, and if you have to go to the hospital, you want to be in a healing environment, and as soon as possible, you want to go home. And that's why, let's say, we really believe in the blue hospital approach. It is a new innovative, holistic approach, which will lead to better performing buildings.
This is the moment where we give our clients the possibility to make a step back from all their daily lives and really think about what is happening in my hospital. So nowadays, most hospital building owners need to make their hospitals smart and green. In Deerns, we offer workshops to our clients, like interactive sessions that we sit down together and we create user journeys. In the journeys, we try to find out what the needs are of all the users in a hospital, and those needs to become solutions for a better hospital performance and a better user experience. So this is part of our Blue Hospital design approach, which focuses on 6 key areas, and these are patient centricity, employee well-being, healthcare outcomes, cost reduction, smart building design, and sustainability. Within Deerns, we have expertise in all those 6 areas. We can combine all of our knowledge to really improve our design solutions for our clients. Me personally, I'm a smart building specialist, so I focus on features that improve the user experience in hospitals. Such can be the use of data, adding sensors, and such smart features also improve the well-being of the users. They can reduce energy consumption, and they can also save time and money. So they really help into making the hospitals more efficient and better for all the users.
4.4% of the CO2 emissions worldwide are caused by the hospital sector. So that really puts a huge pressure on hospitals to be more sustainable, especially in terms of energy and waste. The other challenge is there is a shortage of high-skilled and educated medical staff. When we design hospitals in a smart way, in an integrative way, in a holistic way, taking sustainability as the main point, the main factor for designing, you can really have an operating hospital that is efficient. We look at how doctors and nurses are living their working environment, and we try to understand what are the pain points that we can help the client to tackle by the inclusion of digital solutions or any other tools around to make the space better and more efficient in terms of sustainability. What is important is that we keep on helping the client during the operation of their building by making their building, one, more energy efficient, by advising them on the inclusion of renewable energies or optimizing their energy usage, but also we help them to reduce their water consumption. We help them to understand how to make their building more people-centric, and we help them to be more efficient in their use of resources.